Hello guys. um in the last video we talked about the width and the height of the linear layout, and in this video we'll be talking about padding and margin. So the padding of the linear layout or any other widget, the padding is a value that sets the distance between the border of the parent layout and the widget itself. Okay, let's see an example of that. Let's come here and select padding. Alright, okay, right now the padding is set to 8. That's why you see this little space between the edge of this linear layout and this button, text view, and every other widget inside of it. So if we should set this padding to like 30 and save that, you can see there's small space between these widgets and the edge of this layout. So the padding can also be set for different size. The left side could be set to 50, the top could be set to 80, bottom 0, right let's do 15, or bottom 10 or so. Let's save that. You could see where this is placed, and I can also increase more of the left also. You can see 150. You could see where it's placed, and you can see all this space right here is the distance between every widget here and the edge of this layout. But the padding is a value that works within the widget or the layout, and the difference between the padding and the margin, which we're about to look at, is that the padding interacts with the widgets or the whatever layout or widget that's inside this other layout. This linear layout we have here, the padding deals with the widget inside of it, while the margin is the distance between this whole layout and other layouts around it. Okay, let's set this padding back to 8. Then let's reduce the height. Let's set it to wrap content, and let's add one more linear edge. Okay, right. Oh, you need for that. Aha, I've forgotten what I want to show you. Alright, let's set this back to match parent. This text view and this image, the text view here and the image view here, we're gonna set the margin to distance them from each other. So let's come down to the text view here, select the margin. Let's select margin top to be 25. Okay, and you can see this distance between the text view and the image view. So the margin is value that sets the distance between a widget and other widgets around it, while the padding is a value that sets a distance between the edge of that widget and its content. So that is that about padding and margin. In the next video we'll be talking about graffiti and layout graffiti. So please do subscribe so you get notified when the new video is released. See you next time.